This video is sponsored by Amazon. It has become increasingly popular for tech companies to build AI agents for coders. And on this channel, I've reviewed a vast number of them. Many companies have hopped on this trend, and Amazon is no exception. But today's focus isn't just another AI assistant. It's something more direct, more raw. This is Amazon Q Developer CLI, a command line interface tool that lives inside your terminal and feels like a fully dedicated developer who never sleeps. Before I start, I want to thank Amazon for sponsoring this video. In this video, I'll show you how Amazon Q Developer CLI works. No IDEs, no visual editors, just you, your terminal, and a power of AI agent that can write code, refactor it, debug, generate unit tests, and even query AWS all inside your CLI. Let's put it to the test. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dive deep. Installing Amazon Q Developer CLI is relatively simple. You can find the details on the AWS page. Follow the instructions for your OS, Mac, Windows, or Linux. Run the one-line installer and then sign in using your BuilderID, which is completely free and doesn't require an AWS account. This is how you can create your BuilderID. Navigate to this page. This is the official BuilderID sign up page. Next, just use your email to create an account for yourself. No AWS setup or credit card needed. Complete the installation process and you are in. Once you're set up, all you have to do is type. Just type the letter Q and hit enter. That's it. This launches the Amazon Q Developer CLI. Your AI assistant loads up right inside the terminal. No fluff, no clutter, just a clean chat-like interface where you can start talking to your agent right away. Alright, I want us to build something fun. Let's try to fork and modify an open source Mario game and give it that shark numbers twist right from the command line. Clone this Mario game. The agent just created a new project directory and pulled the code. It even printed the structure, told me what it cloned, and confirmed the setup. Let's run it and see what we've got. The game works, but the controls are a bit off. I could not jump. Let's fix that. Check the controls and make sure space is used for jumping and command is for running. Amazon Q read the code, found the input bindings, adjusted the logic, and told me exactly what it changed. Nice, the controls are working now. Let's level it up.
Change the hue of the Mario character to -35
to give it a purple magenta vibe. The terminal is working. The agent is reading and updating some of the lines of code. It broke down the visual changes into a series of actions, adjusted color values, and rebuilt the assets. Let's keep going. Change green shades into magenta. Also turn the sky into an indigo blue gradient. The AI just ran multiple changes across the project, modified the code in the files, and is now giving me a summary of everything it changed. Now the vibe is spot on. The game feels like it belongs to the shark numbers universe. Here's what I like about Amazon Q Developer CLI. It's just one clean chat inside your terminal where you can talk to your agent like a real dev. You give it context, ask it to make changes, and it runs with it fast. It understands your CLI environment, reads and writes files, generates code diffs, and executes shell commands, all while asking for your input when it needs it. And yes, it supports agentic coding, which means it does not just follow orders blindly. It takes initiative, it suggests multi-step solutions, verifies them with you, and executes them once approved. It feels less like a code assistant and more like a collaborator. So to wrap this up, Amazon Q Developer is fast, clean, and extremely capable. If you're someone who prefers living in the terminal and building things without distractions, this tool is built for you. Give it a try. You can start using Amazon Q Developer CLI completely free. Yes, with just a Builder ID.
And
If you want more advanced features, there is also a Pro license available. Let me know what you think about Agentic AI inside your CLI. I am done for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV
out.